Lincoln and I are a couple. It's like, why did my ancestors even come here?
I don't know. Why don't you just have sex with Lincoln? And then you're back to being friends, right?
You got beauty, you got brains. You're a genius. Do you want a kiss?
That's okay. Are you sure?
Abby, Ilana! Ilana!
Say by the bed.
The boys with the penises.
It's coming! We were looking everywhere for you, except we forgot to look for you.
Yeah. Hey, do either of you two have like a knife? Because me and Lincoln want to become blood brothers.
Blood brothers.
I have an idea. We should drink.
Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna get to the drinks.
Not you little boy. We are gonna do it right now.
Yeah?
P to P.
P to P?
Pubes to pubes.
Come on. It's a weird way to say that, but.
Hey, there are people in here. Rude.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, hey. What's up, man? I remember him from earlier. He's a nice guy. What's up, man? Y'all have a good one.
Enjoy.
4 and 3 and 2 and 1.